Hi everyone, this is Anita and today we are going to discuss rate engine and rating process in Policy Center. So basically rate engine decides how much premium to charge based on details like the risk profile, coverage type, limits and factors provided during the quoting process. So, whenever an agent or underwriter creates a quote, Policy Center sends all the relevant policy and coverage details to the rating engine. The engine then reads rate books, rate routines, and rate table, applies the rating logic, and returns the calculated premium back to Policy Center. The premium is then displayed on the UI. This process happens every time a quote is calculated or re-rated, whether it's a new business, policy change, renewal, reinstatement, or rewrite. So, where the rating engine lives, there are two possible setups depending on the insurer system architecture. First option is the internal default Guidewire engine. This engine is built directly inside Policy Center. It uses Guidewire rate books, rate tables, and rate routine, and is perfect for most mid-size carrier who want to manage all rating logic inside Policy Center itself. Second option is external rating engine, which is integrated with the Policy Center. In that case, Policy Center sends all the rating inputs through an API to an external system and receives the calculated premium back. Let's now understand the rating calculation in detail. The system gathers all the details that affect the price, the type of policy, coverages and their limits and deductibles, risk factors such as territory or driver history, and any applicable discounts. Next step is to identify the base rate from insurer's rate book. Then engine applies various factors and modifiers like a deductible factor, protection class factor and any discount to adjust the premium based on the risk profile. After that, system totals up the coverages, applies taxes, fees and credits that produces the final premium that the customer sees on their quote summary screen. The underwriter or agent can review all these rating details. Finally, once the policy is bound, the final premium is passed to the billing center where it's converted into a billing schedule like monthly or quarterly payment. A cust- Now let's understand this process with an example. Suppose a customer buys a homeowner policy for $200K coverage and base rate is dollar 0.90 per $100 of coverage. So first step is to calculate the base premium, which is $1,800, and apply the factors and discounts. Suppose here the territory factor is 1.05 and deductible factor is 0.95. So adjusted rate is $1795.50. So the total return premium comes to $1795.50. So now the insurance company will add taxes, surcharges and policy fee to calculate the final premium. That's the overall rating process. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.